A lot of new philatelists have asked me what sort of stamps they should buy to start their collection. Now there are a lot of stamps that you can buy, and it depends what sorts you want to collect. I'm going to show you some stamps that I would recommend if, like me, you want to collect general British stamps. I would recommend starting with some penny reds. This can include imperforated and perforated examples. You might also want to get some mint ones or ones on covers. Penny reds can be bought quite cheaply, as imperfs and ones on covers can cost as little as £5. Mint examples can cost less than 10, and used perforated penny reds can cost only a few pence. I would also recommend some examples of later line engraved stamps, like twopenny blues, halfpenny bantams, or 1.5 penny shields, as depending on the plate, these can also be quite cheap. I would also recommend getting some surface printed stamps. However, a lot of these can be quite expensive, but these ones shown here are usually quite reasonably priced. Getting some Edward VII stamps is also a good idea. The ones that I've shown here are usually the easiest to get hold of. These are some George V stamps I'd recommend buying. They include commemoratives, definitives, and even some high values. I'd also definitely recommend getting the set of Edward VIII stamps. There are also a lot of George VI stamps I'd recommend buying. However, at this point, the average price of stamps goes down, so this is just a selection that you could buy. There are many more. I don't have any particular recommendations for Elizabeth II, as there are so many stamps. But overall, I'd recommend getting a mixture of pre-decimal and decimal commemoratives and definitives, including mint, used, and on cover.